You would know it anywhere. That squirmy, ticklish feeling in your stomach, that's a surefire sign you're about to face a challenge. But have you ever wondered why you get that sensation in various situations, like before a test, standing on a ledge, or when you're with your crush? It all comes down to our autonomic nervous system, which controls our bodily processes without conscious input. It has two branches, the sympathetic division, known as fight or flight, and the parasympathetic division, often called rest and digest. The sympathetic division prepares our body for emergencies. It increases heart rate, widens airways, and triggers sweating and dilated pupils. On the other hand, the parasympathetic division slows down heart rate, breathing, and lowers blood pressure during ordinary situations. In an emergency, the sympathetic division takes charge. It releases adrenaline and cortisol, raising heart rate and redirecting blood flow to vital organs and muscles. Unfortunately, this diverts blood away from the digestive system. As blood vessels surrounding the stomach and intestines constrict, and digestive muscles contract, you get that sensation of butterflies fluttering in your stomach. Additionally, the sympathetic response can trigger a sudden need to use the bathroom. It relaxes the internal anal sphincter, allowing the body to shed excess liquids or solids, helping you be more agile in a survival situation. But why do we experience the same fluttery feeling when we're about to skydive or go on an exciting day? It turns out that our sympathetic nervous system doesn't differentiate between emergency situations and potential romantic encounters. When you're attracted to someone, your body perceives it as an emergency to ensure the continuation of our species. These heightened sensations encourage you to make a move and focus your attention on that specific person. Emotions don't exist in a vacuum. A racing heart and sweaty palms can be the feeling of fear, excitement, or even lovesickness. It's how we interpret these sensations that truly matters. So, the next time you're overwhelmed with nerves, try reframing the feeling. Embrace the excitement and channel that sympathetic nervous system energy into doing your very best. Remember, those butterflies in your stomach are just a sign that something extraordinary is about to happen. Embrace the feeling and let it propel you towards success. Thanks for watching.